Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to change USDT to Ethereum in Trust Wallet. Let's start our video. Open Trust Wallet. Then enter your password. Now once you are on the home page, you have to click on this swipe option in the menu bar. Then click on swipe on the top left, and this is the main part. So over here you have to select the correct network, and to select the correct network you have to click on from BNB Smart Chain. So here is the network list. You can select any network that you want. For this video I will select Tron TRX. Now change TRX to USDT. Just simply tap on TRX and then click on search bar and search for USDT. Now click on 2 Bitcoin and then change to Ethereum. Now enter the amount. So once you have entered the amount, it will show you that for $50 you will get this much Ethereum. Now just confirm this and then click on next, and then you have to confirm your transaction. Then you can easily change USDT to Ethereum. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking our video and subscribe this channel.